Sorry.
Secure the car. Why are you saying sorry?
Because I was so scared.
You don't worry about it.
I check.
Yes.
Yeah, because I don't know.
Yeah, but now the car. Where is your car is going? Look at the car.
It's bad, yeah. So how I do now?
Yeah, it's okay. So let's try that. So go to the drive.
If I do bad, no problem, no?
I help you. Don't. I'm helped you first time. We're gonna do the forward bay parking maneuver.
Okay.
Right. So you have got so many bays on your right.
Okay.
And
So forward, no? With the front of the car right there.
Yeah. So
Okay.
so many forward bays on the right or forward bay on the left. But what's important, you need to understand that when you're doing the forward bay parking, forward right, yeah. So like now, our car is on the left side, more
Yes.
left. Means from here, is it easy to do forward left or easy to do forward right? What do you-
Forward right, because I have more space to turn.
Absolutely.
I didn't do, but it's logic now.
Logic,
yeah.
absolutely. And if you want to do forward left, your car need to be more to the right.
So I go there and yeah.
And
if
you
I
go
don't
there.
have space.
Yeah, but because we already here, we might do forward right. Okay?
Okay.
Any problem, any question?
No
Now,
questions.
now it's so easy to do.
For me, looks very difficult. But
It's okay. I
will
promise
see.
you, it will be easy for you.
Okay.
When the examiner asks you to do forward bay parking, remember he's requesting you need to choose a bay. So let's say we're gonna go
There.
the one after the package one.
Yes.
So you now have got a target. It's
Yeah.
very important to have a target which bay you wanna go into.
Okay.
Okay. Now there is a reference point
Okay.
you can use in my car.
Okay.
So because you have got a target, let's say you're going into this bay there. So this is the package there.
Yes.
You're going this one. So as you're going there, so this white line,
Yes.
so the one on your side, as you're going, when the white line comes on your side, put your hand there for me, like this. So when you're going, when the white line comes with that, what would you do? You start steering and going in there. So let's try that. So go to the drive.
If I do bad, no problem, no?
I help you. Don't. I'm helped you first time.
Okay.
Now, also because we're doing forward bay parking, hold on. How would you tell people that you're doing forward bay parking? How can you tell?
I check my
You
mirrors,
need
I
to,
sign.
yeah.
of
So do that
course.
for me. So do your mirrors and
Mirrors.
indicate.
Indicate.
Yeah, but keep your car left. Slow. Don't put your foot on the brake. So not yet. Keep it straight. Very slowly.
Okay.
Very slow. Keep your eyes locked over there. Is it there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Start moving. Move the car as well.
Okay.
Yeah, good. And then keep looking there. You might need to readjust as you're going in. So you might need to do left as well. That's it. Just gently lift up your body. You're doing good. Yes. Slow is good.
Yeah, because I don't know.
Yeah, but now the car. Where is your car is going? Look at the car.
It's bad, yeah. So how I do
So,
now?
yeah, it's okay. Where is the car for you now? Left.
Yes, left.
So what you need to do to go back to the
to
right?
reverse a little
No.
bit, no?
Stay to the right.
Okay.
Because you stay there, the car will go there.
Okay.
That's it. Full. Yeah, it's okay. You will hear the sound. When your car becomes straight, bit more.
Sorry.
Yeah, good. And now make your tires straight. Good. And stop the car.
Sorry.
Secure the car. Why are you saying sorry?
Yeah, because I was so scared.
You don't worry about it.
I
yeah?
check.
Yes. Then the examiner will say to you, thank you very much. Reverse your car, drive on your right or drive on your left. Some examiner says your front bonnet going towards the left, front bonnet going towards the right. If you don't understand
Yeah.
what the examiner wants you to
I
do,
ask again.
you just says, okay, examiner, do you want me to go there or go there? It's fine.
Yeah.
You can ask.
Better than make mistakes.
Then this is very important. People who are gonna watch this is for them as well.
Okay.
If I say to you to reverse your car and drive there,
Okay.
where would your steering goes?
Like this.
Good. Yes. And if I say to you reverse your car and drive there, where would your steering?
Like this.
a lot of people get confused with this. I don't know why.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so I want you to reverse your car and we need to drive there.
Okay.
But remember,
I do a little bit.
you don't need to use
Yeah.
any speed, just use your brakes.
Yes.
Also, before you're reversing, you do your left, center,
Center,
right.
Right. Okay.
And every 6 to 10 seconds you do that again. That's why we go slowly. Okay? Let's do this. Good. Well done. And then you can full lock to the right. Yeah, full lock now. Full lock. Yeah, because there's no cars.
No cars.
Yeah.
Okay.
But keep doing your observations.
Okay.
Blind spots. Slowly. We're going too fast.
Sorry. I
It's
know.
okay. And right shoulder as well. Very good.
It's my first time with the back.
It's
so-
okay. You're doing very good. And keep going until your car becomes straight.
Okay.
Keep going. And now make your tires straight.
Okay.
Let's say you've done a forward bay parking.
Yeah.
Yeah. And as you're going into in between the two bays.
Okay.
Okay. It's okay, relax. Right. So now, do you think are we in the bay or not?
No.
No. So we are in between the
Yes.
bay, between the two bays. If this is happening in your test, do not worry.
I try again.
So you tell the examiner, I'm going to adjust my car.
Okay.
But you don't need to go again over there.
Yeah.
You just need to reverse and come back. Now, every instructor teach differently.
Yes.
My teaching style is different. Now, a lot of people, when they see that there's a gap over there, they try to go left or right, is get confused.
Yeah.
So it's very simple way of doing it. So go to the reverse for me. So we're going to adjust our car. Do your blind spots check, but don't go right or left. Just that's it. You can go, if there's no cars parked, you can go all the way back. Use that empty space over there. So keep going like this. Well done. Very, very good. Well done. Keep doing that.
Okay.
Yeah. Keep going more if you want to. If there's no cars parked, you can go all the way back.
Yeah.
And
now
now
I can.
Lift up your body like this and then go. That's enough? No, that's more than enough.
Okay.
Quarter. That's more than enough like this. Not too much.
Okay.
Yes, easy. Make your life easy, not harder.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Oh, it's easy when I say like this.
Good.
Okay. I hope it's. Oh,
Good.
that's it.
Good.
Check.
Good.
No, it's not good, but.
Why it's not good?
No, it's not like it's like this. A little bit.
Okay. When you're gonna be doing your maneuver, examiner will say to you that I would like you to do forward bay parking.
Yes.
Just make sure that your 4 wheels or tires are inside the bay.
Yes. If I'm inside,
They
it's
never say to you it have to be perfect in the middle. So if this is a car
Yes.
and it's slightly like this or like this, but your 4 tires are inside the white line, is fine.
Okay.
You don't need to be perfectionist.
Okay.
Okay? Any problem, any questions?
No problem.
Happy with this?
Yes.